Hey guys, I'm going to take you on a tour of our room. We have a premium swim up suite without an ocean view, and we are at the Azul Beach Resort in Cancun. All right, so first off, we are in the exact room is room 1105. There's a couple different buildings. We're in building number 1. All right, so I'm going to tell you what I like about the room, what I don't like about the room, and I'm going to show you the swim up, because that's what most people are wanting to know about, is how is the access to the actual pool. And that's why I'm making this video, is because I couldn't actually find a video showing how the pool situation actually works. All right, here we go. So here you have your storage, basically just your closets, and right next to that you will have a safe that you can set the combination for. And then over here you will have your bathroom. Now it does not have a real door. It's kind of got this glass door, which is pretty common in resorts like this. Just your basic toilet setup. A double sink, and the shower is pretty nice. A nice rain shower with the soaps and everything kind of mounted to the wall there. It's actually a nice setup for the shower. Again, it's just this glass door here. There is your mirror for getting ready. And then if we move into kind of the living area, you got this little sitting space right here, your lamp, and again, it's frosted, but this is the actual shower right here. So there's another piece of glass, so you can kind of see the image or the outline or silhouette of somebody taking a shower if they're in there. It is nice, the maid service, they leave nice little things like this flower on the bed when they clean your room. And then over here we have more storage. And we have a lot of storage. We have 3 people in this room, and there's plenty of space here. The TV, obviously, a little coffee setup, which is really nice. And then in here is your mini bar. Now, one of the things that I'm not really that big of a fan of, it's a pretty small mini bar. They do stock it with beer, sodas, and wine, but they've done away, or I don't know if they've ever done it here, but we're used to, when we go to a resort like this, we're used to having actual liquor in the room, bottle of rum or vodka, and sometimes they even have them attached to the wall where you can dispense them, I guess maybe so you can't steal the bottles, but they don't serve liquor at all or in the room, or they don't give you bottles of liquor in the room. You have to go to the bar to get it. Not that inconvenient, but something that we're really not a fan of, because we're not really big beer drinkers. Wine is the same thing. You're not getting wine in the room. All right, so you also have this seating area, and it pulls out to be a bed, a couple other seats here, and then we do have a hot tub in this area. And one of the really nice things that they did is they did give us a bottle of champagne when we first checked in, which is really, really nice. Now, as far as noise goes, the noise is basically non-existent. The walls are really, really thick concrete, so we haven't heard anybody else at all. All right, so now let's get to probably what everybody wants to know about, is the pool. So I'm going to show you from our room what it looks like. And again, we don't have a beach view. We've got a view of kind of the other pools in the middle of the resort. And that is basically it. That is a tour of the room. Now I'm going to go take a swim. All right, here we go. Yeah.